What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be riding bikes and POV. Yeah, so I have two people here. My best friend Letty, which we don't talk about, and then we have her, Aubrey, special guest.
A new person.
Yeah, a new person who has joined the arena, and these are both of them, and me. So and we're gonna go up bike riding. Might be a little wibbly wobbly because it is very bumpy. What? Slow. Hurry up, you two. Oh, whoa, whoa. Rock territory. Whoa. You guys gonna talk? You guys gonna talk? We need some audio. Yeah, that's good. Also, we don't talk about what me and Letty have been seeing and hearing up here. Yeah, we don't talk about it. It's very, very something. We've just been hearing stuff and seeing stuff. We also have a story. So basically, this one time, we did this exact thing, but not recorded. So we were doing this, and then we see our friend. What? Let me see. So basically, this is, huh? Oh. So there's this tree that has a knife. Yeah, I'll tell the story. Okay, guys. One time, there was a tree. There was a knife that was in like a tree, and Letty will tell you the rest.
Harley had my dad's scooter. Me and Riker were behind her on our bikes. So she stopped at the tree, hooked the knife out, and then we rode off because we thought we were gonna get like a demon disease or something. So we rode off, and we don't know what she did with the knife after that.
Okay, so yeah, now you guys know that. But so we'll show you the tree, but if the knife's back, we know that either Harley put it there or something else.
When me and Riker went up here with them and her cousin, it was gone. It was right in that tree.
What
Right
tree?
there.
Which one? Wait.
It was right in this tree.
What tree?
That one.
The one that looks like it's got disease?
Oh, I can see it. I can see where it got stabbed. Yeah, I can too, but the knife's not there.
Yeah, so.
Harley probably took it.
And
She She probably did, because we don't know where the knife went.
So guys, we're gonna go down the giant hill.
Wait, so we can't go down the main road.
Why?
What? Because Aisha.
She might not see us.
What?
Okay guys, so this is where me and Letty have been hearing and seeing stuff.
Yes, there's a guy back there with the shotgun.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a table that we could use.
Huh?
There's a table that we could use. That's like the same table that I had last year.
Yeah, so this is mostly where we rode up here to. So we're gonna go back down the place that we came. We're not going down that road where we mostly hear and see all this stuff. Mostly because we mostly don't want to. And we want to go down the bumpy road. Anyway, guys, so this is the end for this video, but there's gonna be a second one, cause yeah, I'm bored. Bye.